Welcome back to Vintage Nook, friends. Today we're diving into a world where timeless elegance meets modern comfort. In this video we'll explore 10 inspiring ways to blend classic architecture with contemporary style, creating warm, luxurious spaces filled with green, warm white and brown accents. Whether you're updating a cozy corner or refreshing an entire home, these ideas will help you design a space that feels both nostalgic and beautifully current. Let's get started. Timeless luxury begins by emphasizing harmony between architectural history and modern sophistication. In homes with enduring character, exposed beams, vintage arches, and intricate moldings become focal points. Enhancing these elements with contemporary furnishings creates a seamless dialogue between past and present, celebrating contrast while preserving authenticity that enriches every room. Pairing antique textures with streamlined lighting introduces balance that feels both curated and lived in. Use muted palettes to highlight graceful craftsmanship without overwhelming your space. When modern art meets time-worn surfaces, each detail amplifies visual depth, giving your home an elevated identity that feels rooted yet undeniably fresh and inviting. Revitalizing grand entryways with modern accents allows original craftsmanship to stand proudly. Tall wooden doors, stone floors, or ornate railings feel renewed when paired with minimalist consoles and sculptural decor. This interplay highlights historic charm while integrating subtle contemporary lines that elevate the atmosphere without diminishing the architectural story embedded. Introducing soft ambient lighting enhances decorative shadows cast by vintage frames and carved columns. Choose warm tones that honor aged materials while maintaining polished balance. Integrating sleek mirrors, slim benches, and refined greenery creates openness that complements bold structural elements, resulting in an entryway that feels dignified and character-rich. Blending vintage stone fireplaces with modern seating sets a dramatic yet comforting tone. Retaining original textures while incorporating clean silhouettes encourages harmony between eras. When soft fabrics, geometric tables, and warm metals accompany historical features, the living room becomes a sanctuary where heritage and contemporary elegance interact to create lasting. Modern chandeliers suspended above rustic mantels introduce uplifting contrast that feels intentional. Select lighting with subtle curves or metallic finishes to complement rough, time-worn materials. Layering plush rugs, curated art, and streamlined shelving ensures the room maintains warmth while presenting a balanced composition where legacy craftsmanship meets present-day refinement beautifully. Repurposing antique doors as sliding panels infuses rooms with unexpected luxury rooted in tradition. Their weathered wood contrasts beautifully against smooth walls and modern hardware. Integrating this statement element introduces depth, movement, and character that redefines functional spaces while paying homage to craftsmanship that has aged gracefully through decades of. Pair these doors with streamlined furniture to let their textured presence shine. Neutral palettes emphasize subtle grains and handcrafted details, allowing modern shapes to soften the antique impact. Incorporate indirect lighting along door frames to create cinematic shadows that enhance depth, making every transition between rooms feel intentional, elegant, always. Restoring patterned tile floors while introducing minimalist cabinetry creates a kitchen that feels both classic and current. Heritage motifs on the ground anchor the space with artistry, while sleek counters offer refreshing balance. This blend reveals a quiet sophistication where every detail serves function yet maintains reverence for the craftsmanship. Introduce modern pendant lights that cast warm illumination across the historical patterns. Their simple geometry allows decorative floors to remain the star, creating harmony without visual clutter. Pairing subtle metallic accents with natural woods enhances tactile contrast, forming a kitchen atmosphere that feels grounded, luxurious, and thoughtfully attuned to heritage. Preserving original arches while integrating sharp contemporary lines creates smooth, poetic transitions between rooms. These curves soften modern interiors, lending an aura of romance and structural elegance. When paired with muted paint, airy drapery, or mirrored surfaces, arches gain renewed purpose, bridging historical beauty with present-day refinement effortlessly. Layering refined materials such as brushed metals, light woods, and soft textiles complements the architecture without overwhelming it. Subtle lighting tucked along arch contours amplifies depth and sculptural quality. This approach creates gentle movement through the home, forming a luxurious pathway where tradition and innovation work together in balanced harmony. Vintage wooden beams or distressed flooring provide a soulful foundation that modern geometry can elevate. Clean-lined furniture, sculptural lighting, and structured decor pieces create tension that feels deliberate and artistic. This union of rugged and refined surfaces results in a grounded yet sophisticated space full of character and contrast. Accenting old woods with polished metals and smooth stone surfaces strengthens the dialogue between textures. Strategic spacing and thoughtful color palettes prevent heaviness, letting each element breathe. This combination creates a warm, livable environment where natural imperfections coexist with crisp design language, forming a timeless expression of luxury. Antique mirrors bring unparalleled charm through patina, ornate frames, and time-softened reflections. Positioning them opposite modern windows or sleek lighting expands visual depth dramatically. Their vintage aura softens contemporary edges, transforming simple walls into artistic focal points infused with romance and historical intrigue. Pairing heirloom mirrors with minimalist consoles, understated sculptures, and monochrome palettes enhances their presence. Clean surroundings allow the mirror's age-worn details to shine while maintaining cohesive modernity. This balance creates an elegant atmosphere where each reflection feels curated, merging heritage sentiment with the clarity of modern design. Plush modern fabrics layered over heritage furniture revive antique silhouettes with modern comfort. Velvet cushions, linen throws, and structured upholstery breathe new life into classic frames, offering tactile luxury while preserving sculptural history. This blend bridges nostalgia and innovation, making old forms feel freshly relevant. Choosing colors that echo aged wood, oxidized metals, or faded tapestries ensures harmony across eras. Ground the space with contemporary rugs and streamlined side tables to offset ornate curves. This thoughtful interplay results in a room that celebrates lineage yet embraces present-day sophistication with warmth and intention. High historical ceilings present an opportunity to decorate with restraint and precision. Modern pendant lights, floating shelves, or minimalist art pieces draw the eye upward without competing with architectural grandeur. This strategy creates a luxurious sense of airiness while honoring the craftsmanship overhead. Soft color transitions, delicate textures, and sculptural greenery complement the vertical expanse. By focusing on gentle accents rather than busy decor, the room maintains a serene harmony between scale and simplicity. The result is an environment where old-world opulence meets modern calm, forming a truly timeless living experience. Thank you for joining me here at Vintage Nook. I hope these timeless luxury inspirations sparked new ideas for your home and encouraged you to blend old charm with modern style. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a like, subscribe for more warm and elegant decor content, and leave a comment sharing which idea inspired you most. Your support truly helps this channel grow. Until next time, keep creating spaces you love.